Here we go, guys. The hull all glass matted up with about 600 GM thickness of fiberglass chop strand matting. A bit thicker at the front where it's probably going to get more impacts. And then we'll sand prior to gel or top coating it down the other side, and then I'll just show you the back of the boat. There we go. Sorry, I'm recording this in the dark. We're working in the shed with the light bulb and lean-to that I made just to do this job. It's about 10 plus degrees at the moment. Not warm, but not cold. And this is the grip hull glassed up.